today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Sonic Boom app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Sonic Boom app, or just click here on search, then here add Sonic Boom, it's going to show for you a list like this, it's going to show for you up here, click on it, then come to this list here, click here on first stop, then you click here on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, so you just click here on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, then you search for Sonic Boom, it's going to show for you like this, you will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.